Welcome. If you want to block ads on your Realme X50 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get this browser, Opera Mini. And if you got it, you can open it. Click continue, then tap on the allow and continue. Click here, okay. Click right here, and then tap ad blocking. Be sure that it is enabled. And right now we can enter this website, for example. And here we get the notification that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus and the Opera Mini. So accept, and here you can scroll down and you cannot find any ads. So that's really cool, and you don't have to connect any external application. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.